In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn real money playing Monopoly Go. You might be wondering if it's truly possible to make some cash while enjoying this modern twist on a classic game. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works and whether it's a viable strategy for you. When you're playing Monopoly Go in its standard format, you'll find yourself moving around the board, rolling dice, and of course, collecting cards. Now, an interesting situation arises when you start collecting duplicate cards. You might think they're just taking up space, but duplicates can actually hold significant value. Some savvy players have found they can trade or even sell their extra cards. Though you might be tempted to explore unofficial websites, it's important to approach them with caution. However, there are certain platforms out there where players set prices for these extras, reflecting current market demand. It's fascinating how a simple game element can become an opportunity to earn. Another intriguing approach is through apps that offer rewards for game progress. At times, there have been promotions, like one from Swagbucks, where reaching a certain level, in this instance, board 100 in Monopoly Go, could net you a reward such as $50. While such promotions may not always be available, they highlight a unique method by which players can earn while playing. Keeping an eye out for these kinds of deals can be a valuable tactic if you're looking to maximize your game time for monetary gain. So, whether it's optimizing the sale of your duplicate cards or hitting milestones through promotional apps, there are indeed ways people are making money through Monopoly Go. It's all about being informed and strategically leveraging these aspects to your advantage. If you found this video helpful and it opened your eyes to new opportunities, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you even more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.